पहले इनफैक्ट इन्फोसिस की मैनेजमेंट ने बोलना शुरू किया, पर्सनल बस आइए सुनते हैं उनको।
We delivered on reported basis a growth of 3.5% to $2,587 million, and on constant currency a growth of a little bit short of 4%. So I'm happy with that. On margins we grew by 80 basis points to 24.9. Our utilization went up to 82.5%, which is a high for us over the last several years. And the key factors that had contributed to the less than desirable performance that we had in Q1, we have managed to arrest those, to the degrowth on those, which is consulting, BPO, as well as Finacle, and parts of our India business. So the progress that we achieved, also in other operational parameters, like in various aspects of operational efficiency, subcon reduction, the on-site role ratios and things of this nature. Also in large deals, we crossed $1 billion. We did a little bit more than 1.2 billion in large deals. A large percentage of that was in the framework deals. Also in large accounts, as well as in the additions of the 50 million plus and 100 million plus accounts, we continue to make. So I'm happy with the performance that our team delivered in this past Q2. While there are quarterly ups and downs based on a variety of factors, what matters really in our industry is the structural change that is going on in our industry, and I have talked about this for the last 2 years. And the signs of this change are very visible, very abundantly clear as we look around. And I believe that our strategy is quite distinctly different than competitors. And I think that you can start to see the strategy differences play out in the results that we are achieving. The key part of the evolution of our industry is going to be to evolve from a people-only model towards people plus software, where people are amplified by software and by automation, and that improved productivity and automation is then leveraged towards innovation, towards people becoming innovative, both in innovation in structural areas like strategy and consulting, as well as grassroots, grounds-up innovation coming from the people. And on these all-important fronts, we are continuing to make progress, and that is what will change the overall equation for us as we evolve towards a next-generation company and away from the model of the past that we have had. Also, to help us set ourselves up for this, about 18 months ago, we established a defragmented delivery organization under Ravi's leadership, and that has showed tremendous results in the last 18 months with the increased focus, improved bandwidth, defragmentation, and ability to focus on client needs. Similarly, now doing the same on the sales side, we have 3 presidents, Sandeep, Mohit, and Rajesh, and under their leadership, we are establishing 15 or so industry heads who have a sharp accountability, a sharp focus, and a sharp to be able to respond to market needs and bring the best of the entire Infosys to bear on the growth that we endeavor to achieve in the next several quarters. So overall, a good quarter, a great focus on operational and execution parameters, and broad overall good result, and a difficult time in a structurally challenging time for our industry. And so I'm quite satisfied with the result, and beyond the quarterly results, I am quite happy with the progress that we are making on cementing ourselves for the future. So with that, I think we can take some questions.